It's raining, but yeah, what can I do? So guys, this is AMG GT 63S.
Follow the road for 12 kilometers.
And this is the most powerful version of the 4-door Coupé. And this is just a crazy good car. And I have 12 kilometers, around 10 kilometers of the Pezinska Baba, but it's raining now. And obviously I don't want to crash, but we can do some pulls, so let's slow down. So the shifting is like this, instant. So I really like this, how this car drives, and it is just a fantastic car. Okay, so this is not launch control, but fast start. Wow, this was like 50% of the throttle. This is like a little Nürburgring in near the Bratislava. And I asked the my Kubler if it's possible to shift into first gear, and he said yes. So we can try some acceleration now. This was just crazy. And you can play with gears. So if you downshift and let it go at like 4K, 5K, then it will make like a crackless. So let's try it. Not in the corner, after the corner. Some pull. Yes! Wow. The sound is just the best. Very good, but also it's raining, so need to be careful. But it's very grippy. But in the corners, if you press the pedal very hard, you can have a slide, like a power slide. So need to be careful in corners. Crazy. Crazy. Let's go. even in a sport class it's not like an uncomfortable car. I was expecting it will be like a super hardcore, but it's quite fine. You can feel it's more firm, but it's not like nervous or something like that. Really, really good. Brake with the engine. If you are careful, then it's not a problem for this car to have a traction. But you need to be careful in corners like this. And what I also like about the Mercedes and also the AMG, that the raindrops, you almost don't feel them, because the car has so nice sound isolation. You can play with the crackles if it's like rainy like this. If you add gas and then let go, then it will make like a crackles. So on the way up it was just half wet, half dry road, but now it's fully wet. And this is just phenomenal car. Consumption 19.5 now, but when I was driving like normally in the beginning, when I was warming up the car, so the car can find the grip even in a condition like this. So no wonder this is the fastest four-seater on the Nürburgring, because this road is like a little Nürburgring with so many corners. Was like 50% of the throttle. So yeah, it's raining, but it was a dry for a little bit, and I could test, not dry but like a little bit wet, and I could test very nicely actually this car. And also this is the most powerful AMG, so yeah, I need to be careful. So yeah, if you drive like this, it's like a normal car. I'm just gonna put it in comfort. You have also slippery mode, but I'm not gonna try slippery because it's not like snowing. Okay, so let's try the acceleration. End of the city, and we can do to 70. So let's go. The crackle is just crazy. Instant.